welcome.
Yeah, all the way back here.
Ready?
You wanna go out?
Paddle backwards.
What?
I know. There you go.
Hey, Stace. Is that everybody?
That's everybody, yep.
Okay.
You guys going out?
We got a liquid logic there that's a pretty big cockpit. Up there that's a big cockpit.
Oh, you got the blue open one there too. You didn't have to get in at all. That's good.
Seriously.
You don't want to go out? No, I'm good. Seriously. You gonna go?
What?
You gonna go?